What's going on, guys? Sam here with Finn's Twins TV, back with another video. Hurricane Irma came through a day and a half ago. We got a lot of stuff messed up around here, a lot of people without power. So we're out of school today, so we're gonna go out to Lake Lanier and see if we can catch us some fish. Last time we were out there on the lake, we were finding a bunch of fish in muddy water, but they just did not want to bite. As soon as we found us some fish in some more clear water, not quite as muddy, started catching some fish. So that's kind of what we're going after today. Just try and find some pockets of more clear water as the lake starts to turn over. We're just getting into that. Really looking forward to topwater bite on the back end of that. The water temp should be a little more than 70 degrees. It dropped about 10 degrees in the last 2 weeks. So it's really getting down there, and those fish are starting to move shallow. So fishing's about to start to get fun. Guys, enough said. Scroll down below this video, click that subscribe button, and we'll get on the water. Alright guys, we're here at the lake. Like we expected, a lot more turned up than it normally is. But hopefully we can use it as our advantage and use some new tactics out here and hopefully catch some big fish today. So stay tuned and we're gonna get on the water. Alright, so the main swim bait we're gonna be throwing today is this awesome new chrome Farley Swimbaits, the 6-inch version, not in full production yet. But this bait is sweet, fully chromed out. Hopefully, we got this big sun on here today. Hopefully, catch some big ones on it. Attaboy. A big old striper. I want to see if I can get a cool topwater hit right here. See what we can do. There he is. Oh, missed it. Oh my god. That's a big one. So fun. Woo. Yeah, is he going? There we go. First cast, big old striper. Coming back. Big old stripers. Pretty fun. Here we go. It's another fat one. These all have giant bellies. It's pretty cool. On the spot. There, boy. Like spit up shad. Here we go. Figured it was a striper, but that's a bass. Holy smokes. This is the baddest bass I think I've ever seen. Look at this thing and I'll show you guys. Super fat. Yeah. This is that. Here we go, guys. Another fish. Heck yeah, fatty right here on the other swim bait. Now throwing the 6-inch bone colored Farley Swimbaits. Having a lot of churned up water out here. And found this spot with some more clear water on it. And first cast, get a good fish. There we go. Good one. Oh. There we go. Slob though. There we go. Another nice one on this swim bait here. That's a fat one. First cast on the spy bait. You gotta really play these fish. This light line. You take off. There we go. That's a tank. Look at that. Probably just knocking with it and it hooked him. But that's a solid one right there. Now when using spy baits or something on this light 6-pound test that we do use for the spy baits, to get that good action, make sure to retie very, very often, almost after catching every fish, to make sure that you keep those fish on and don't break off. Got a jig hooked up. Can't tell the size. Feels like a pretty good one. Heck yeah, that's a nice one. We're back at the boat ramp. Our final weight was 10 pounds and 9 ounces, so definitely not a bad weight, but we still got a long ways to go for our first tournament. Had the water temperature drop a lot these last couple of weeks, so figured we'd come out here and see if we can find some fish, and we did just that. We just got to find some bigger fish here in the next few weeks. Still, we got a lot of boats out here, a lot of docks messed up from this hurricane. We were able to get out of school because a lot of people still don't have power, but it's cool, able to come out here and see what we could do. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.